Hold on a minute.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Listen up.
what you see flying over this area is the actual Confederate national flag. The flag that everybody thinks is the Confederate flag, which they complain about, was never flown by the Confederacy, ever. It's the naval jack. It was never issued, which is why it was used by the hate groups after the war, because the veterans would not stand for having those colors which they fought under used for those purposes, even though many of them were involved in those purposes. The flag you saw with the 30th Virginia, which is right over here, is the Army of Northern Virginia. It comes with, it's square, it comes with white tape or pink tape, depending on whose dress they cut it out of, because that's exactly what they did. There were umpteen Confederate flags used by regiments. This is the only one used by the government. They followed that up later on with the battle flag and a white flag. That, if you saw the movie Gettysburg, you see them moving forward with that flag as a general officer's flag. They realized that every time they did that, they looked like they were surrendering, so in 1865 they put a red bar on the end of it. That particular flag also really never saw much use because the war was over. So what you're looking at is the flag that they fought under in 1861. And right now they still have...
About the flag, as we say, this is a battle flag, also known as the soldier's flag. The soldiers fought under this flag. It was not the official flag of the Confederate government. This is a soldier's flag.
Yeah, if you look at many books, you will find that Tennessee used a different flag, Missouri used a different flag. Half the armies didn't use this flag, and when the Army of Northern Virginia showed up and mixed with the Army of Tennessee, they were wondering what this was. They'd never seen one. So it's an interesting time in our period, because as you noticed, if you were here earlier when the 34-star flag was flying, it'll be up again tomorrow. We didn't even have a set series of how to put the stars on. You see some of the ones up there. Hey, anybody, if you wanted to make a flag, whatever you wanted to put together was your flag. They didn't care. So we even see flags as late as that with 14 and 15 stripes still, because that's what the seamstress had in red cloth. It was only in the 20th century, early 20th century, that they decided they better have a flag law, because nobody knew what the U.S. flag was supposed to look like.